How are you?
Not bad. How about you?
I'm good. How did your game go the other day?
Well, I threw an interception. I had a lot of things on my mind.
Like what?
We won. We won.
Like what's on your mind?
Well, like this Bio 111 quiz here. I got an F minus on it.
An F minus?
Well, I think this is like this will make like a ton of failed quizzes with papers. So you know what? I'm just gonna throw this away.
Stop! Wait! What are you doing?
I'm gonna throw it away.
That is the garbage can. This
That's
is
where
the
it goes.
recycle
That's
can.
where garbage
No,
goes.
you need to recycle. Every time you recycle a ton of paper, you save 17 trees.
But
What about all your other bio quizzes? You think that would add it? It adds up.
yeah.
Well, don't be a loser, be a reuser, and throw a touchdown.
Throw a touchdown.